Hi, welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best woodworking tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion. Now, I'm just about to glue these dovetail tapered splines on the underside of a tabletop, but I only want to get glue in the very middle because, of course, the grain directions are different, so we want the tabletop to be able to expand and contract this way without struggling against the splines. So, to just get glue in the middle, what I've done is I've just put some shallow holes on the back of these. I'll pop some glue in there, assemble the tabletop on top of these, push them almost into position, obviously upside down, then turn everything upside down again, or the right way up, so the glue can come out of those holes against the surface that I want it to be glued to, and then tap them home for the final few inches. That'll make sure I've just got glue in this area. Feel the glue biting now. Thanks to Peter in Germany, who I originally got this tip from. Job done. Tips from the Hips, the best woodworking tips and hips on the internet. Join me next time. Cheerio.